Today I'll be teaching you guys what is TikTok Shop. So basically TikTok Shop is a new feature. If you don't have it, you need to update your TikTok to the latest version. So basically if you go on your profile, you can see there's a link for YouTube on my profile. Well, if you have a business TikTok page or a business TikTok account, you can link your shop, and by clicking on that shop, let's say like some of your viewers come to your profile and click on that shop link, and that shop you can set up different items you want to sell. And from those items, let's say somebody buys something, you get the money and TikTok gets a certain percent of the cut. Basically TikTok Shop allows you to promote your product on TikTok via your profile. You can make a video about a product, link that product over here, and like from that link they can click on it, it'll directly take them to TikTok Shop and they can buy it from there. That is basically what TikTok Shop is. Alright, if you want TikTok Shop also accessible to your account, you need to have a business account and make sure your account is public. If you have a public and a business account, you will get access to TikTok Shop. So I hope you understand what is TikTok Shop. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.